So what I have is a roof sag, and that might have been caused because I jacked it up in the wrong location. So you can see how the bolt, but the nail that was supposed to hold this cabinet up on the far right side, the driver's side of my RV, came out, and this whole location started to sag. Do you have any ideas of how I can brace it? My thinking was to put a brace just in front of this member right here, which is part of the cabinet, which maybe was a brace. I think the reason there's no screws past this one here is because I wanted to allow for flexibility of the member supporting the roof, and so that's also caused this. I don't know if you can see it very well. So this is starting to come out my other, and then in the back, you can probably see a small gap there. Just trying to pull that screw I took out, and then this screw here left in for support of this cabinet. And on top of all of this, it's causing, I don't know if you can see it back there. Let's see. There's that. Caused my curtain to come out, so I'm hoping that if I brace it, or I'm thinking about doing, is adding a support member right in the center, and now jack this member up and allow for the sag to disappear, and then I can add the brace. If y'all have any ideas or have done this before, please let me know. Thanks.